Hello my dear students, so we will understand now how to execute the fifth program. So here we have two parts. The first part is write the function called as isPhoneNumber. So here they have given the pattern. We need to follow the same pattern, that is 415, then hyphen, then again 3 digits, then hyphen, and again next 4 digits. So we need to give the input of the phone number in the same pattern. So this program has to recognize the pattern with both as a regular expression or without using the regular expression. So let us check out about how to execute the program. So here is a 5a program what I have already been created. So let me execute this program. So here I need to enter the phone number. So in the same pattern we need to enter the phone number. So first 3 digits, then hyphen, then again 3 digits, and then hyphen, and then lastly 4 digits. So this is a random phone number what I am providing. So you can see it is showing that it is a valid phone number, right? Okay. Now let us check about the program 5b. So 5b program is to develop a Python program to search the content in the text file. So content in the text file, that should include various different phone numbers. So sample phone number they have given. So the phone number should start with the +91. Okay, that is Indian phone number format. It should start with +91 and the next 10 digits of the phone number, or you can say like a mobile number. And the content of the file should also consist of some email addresses wherein we have this sample type of format. Okay, right. So how to do execute this? So for this earlier we need to create an text file. So let us open our code and see that what kind of text file I need to create. Okay, what is the name of the text file I need to give? So here in my program I have given the name of the text file as example.txt. So I need to create an text file with the name example. Okay, so there are two ways to create the text file. So in Jupyter you can go for a new, and here you can directly click on the text file. Here you directly can click on the text file and you will get an editor wherein you can type the content of the text file. Okay, here you can rename it as example.txt. So the name example in the program is all small letters. Don't use any capital letters in that, and press OK. Okay, now you can enter the content within the text file. So the content within the text file should be the phone number as well as email ID, and the phone number should be starting with the +91. Okay, so +91, you can do enter the random 10 digits. Okay, so some sample email IDs I will put it out. Okay, so how to save this? Go to the file, press save, and the file will get saved. Simply you need to close this file, and you can see example.txt file is created. Now run the program number B, 5b program. So press Ctrl Enter for the shortcut, or else you can click on the run button. Click on the run button, you can see the content of the file being shown. So what suppose if I do not write the phone number as according to the given format, that is +91 and the next 10 digits. So let us see what happens if I do not use that format. So I am going back to my example.txt and I am removing the format. I am removing the format for the first number what I have entered in my file, and I will go for a file and press save. Now I will close the text file. I will re-execute my program. I hope the first mobile number will not be visible, as because we have not used the format. So let me run the program, control plus enter. You can see the first mobile number is vanished, even though it is there in my text file, but it is not displaying, as because it is not following the rules what I have framed in my code. That is, it should start with +91. Okay, so this is how we can execute the program 5a and 5b. Thank you.